subscribe, click the bell, then stick around. It's time for Traveling Dainty Dips.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Dreadfully Dainty Dips. I am Lindsay, and if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. Alright, we have another Starter Kit Showdown. This one is from Secret Sisters Dip Powder Company. Alright, so let's get into this one. This is their Dip Powder Starter Kit. It retails for $55. You pick your two choice of colors, and it comes with clear, and then we'll get into all the other stuff that you get. This one, you don't have the gel option, you don't have an odorless option, it's just, this is their regular liquids. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so first up, it looks like we get a cuticle pusher, a 180 grit nail file, and a Candy Skincare cuticle oil pen. This is a 6mm pen. Alright, next up we have 2 bottles of liquid. And next up, I'm sure, is our last bottle of liquid. So you get the 3 set in here. You get a base, an activator, and a top coat. Alright, and in our bag here should be our dippies. Let's get all these little paper worms out of here. Alright, so you get 2 small buffing blocks. You get 2 colors, a clear, a fishtail dusting brush, and a cute little sticker. Alright, so I think that's a great deal. So for $55, this is what you get. The cuticle oil smells amazing. Of course, if you know Candy Skincare products, all of her stuff smells awesome. So that's cool that that's included, and it's a big pen. So usually your, I don't know, like your standard pens that you get from companies are like a 3mm, and this is a 6mm, so it's like a big pen. Just give it a few turns until you get it going. Of course, y'all know I gotta sniffy sniff the things. And here I'm just showing you that it's a 6mm brush tip pen. Alright, and then, so yeah, so you get the little, it's kind of like a big orange wood stick, but it's a cuticle pusher, and then you get the 180 grit nail file. It's not 100 and 180. I believe it's just both sides are 180. And it's a strong, sturdy nail file, those Tropical Shine nail files. I love those. They're really good nail files. And then, of course, you get your 3 set liquids. So that's a good deal. Your liquids are loan, usually run you from like anywhere from like $30 to $50. So that's a great price when they include all the liquids in a kit. And then of course you get your little buffing blocks. You'll get a couple uses out of those. Your 3 dips, your little fishtail brush. And yeah, so the only thing that we're not getting with this kit is like a little travel size bag, which, you know, that doesn't really make it or break it for me. Usually when they put them in a little bag, that's cool. You know, you can keep all your stuff in there, but like I said, it's okay. We don't need it. But yeah, and so I want to show you the little fishtail brush. This is so cute. I've never seen one of these before. And it's pretty like, I mean, it says it's a soft brush, but compared to like, I don't know, like a makeup kabuki brush, it's a little bit more stiff. So I felt like it, you know, dusted all the things off really well. All right, so let's put it to the test and let's see, we got to see if we can do a full mani from this kit. Okay, so of course we have our clear, and then we have Texas Sun, which is like a gorgeous dark blue. It's got lots of little flakies in there, kind of like little micro flakies. Excited to use this. It looked really gorgeous on the website. And then we have Dreams, which is another white, like flaky dip. And if you notice on the top, so their labels up top will tell you if they glow or they're not a glow. So this one glows, so that's kind of cool. But I got it because it kind of reminded me like of snow. So very gorgeous. Okay, so let's get all this put to the side and let's see if we can do a mani, because that's the ultimate test, right? All right, so let's get everything set out. We got our liquids, our dips. That's all we kind of really need right now. This is the top coat. I'm just kind of checking. Here's our activator. Some of these lids were really tough. And okay, this part right here, the base was a little bit glued shut. Okay, so I debated on whether I wanted to leave this in the video or not. And I chose to keep it in there, not to upset anybody, but to show you that sometimes bottles can glue shut. It does not mean that these liquids are horrible or that it's the company's fault or anything like that, because sometimes bottles just glue shut. But I want to show you a good way to fix it. So with our Hulk strength, we just open that bad boy up. I'm going to take an alcohol prep pad and I'm just going to wipe around the rim of the bottle. Try not to get the alcohol like inside of it. Okay, just wipe it around. Take some cuticle oil. I know, it just sounds kind of crazy. And go around like those little threads on the outside. Don't get any glue on there. Don't, no liquid or anything. Just right on that glass. We're going to stick our brush back in there. And we're going to give it like, kind of open it and shut it, and get everything kind of like lubed up in there. But yeah, sometimes it just happens. This is not to deter you away from trying the starter kit, because honestly, the liquids are great. Okay. But I just wanted you to see that sometimes it happens. Sometimes liquids glue shut. There's nothing we can do about it. This could have been like a 1 in 100 bottle, or, something like that. So I wanted to keep it in here for all honesty that, hey, it happens, But don't worry, get you some pliers. You can also soak your bottles in like some hot water for a minute, and you should be able to wiggle them and open them. Okay, so other than that, let's get to going on this mani. I've already started here with Texas Sun. This tutorial is not going to be like my last video. I just kind of did that because we've had a lot of new subscribers lately, so I kind of wanted to give you like a little basic rundown. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to do 2 dips of all of these colors. Okay, and remember, we're thinking thin on our liquids. We're not flooding our cuticle area. We're kind of dipping at an angle into the jar. And of course, these are flakies, especially that white one called Dreams. So you want to make sure you're patting everything down, remember? All right, so let me finish up here, and then I will see you back when it's time for clear. All right, we're all done with our 2 layers on each finger. Now it's time to do another layer, but in all clear. Make sure you dust off all that color though before you go into doing all this, okay? And I apologize, my camera is doing something weird this video. I don't know why, it keeps jerking and moving around. It was very weird. Anyway, okay, so we're going to do a dip of clear on all of these bad boys, then we will dust off and it'll be time for activation. I'll see you right back. All right, dust off. We're going to activate each finger really good, and then it is time for hand filing. All right, so I'm going to speed that part up. I know I left it in last time. It was probably long and horrible. I'm just kidding. But I sped it up this time so you can just kind of see what I'm doing. I didn't want to take it completely out. But all right, so I'll see you back after we file in our buff and we were about to do top coat. Alright, so we're all filed and buffed. Let's go ahead and activate one more time because you need that second layer of activation to help that top coat kind of cure and do its thing. You know, they're three liquids. They all they're a family. They got to work together. Alright, so we're going to activate and then it's time to top coat. Alright, so we're going to go top coat. So remember, we're going to do this in fairly quickly and as less swipes as we can. I don't know why I cannot find the words to explain that. Anyway, so we're not going to worry about being too perfect on this round. It's our second round where we can kind of go back in and take our time and clear cap those free edges. Alright, so let's talk while we lay down our top coat. Okay, so what did you think of this kit? I think it's a great kit. Like I said, you don't get a bag and you don't get like a sharp kind of like cuticle tool. So I did have to pull out my cuticle tool and use that. But again, it's not like something that you need to do a mani. You can do a mani just fine without one if you're just careful and you know you don't hit your cuticle area with your dip powder and your liquids. But I think this is a great kit. The liquids were great. The liquids were you know, kind of like on the thin side, which is good. A lot of people love thin liquids because it just doesn't make your nail bulky. I love the little fishtail brush. It was so darn cute. Buffing blocks, the file. I love a good sturdy nail file. I will say it and shout it from the rooftops. I cannot stand a flimsy nail file. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit of a nail file snob, I guess. But no, I loved it. Look at those liquids. So shiny, so beautiful. Dip powder's laid awesome. But yeah, so no complaints on here. Even with the bottle gluing shut, no complaints. We got it fixed. It was not a big deal. And yeah, so now we're going to finish it up with our cuticle oil. Of course, you want to go all around that finger, all around the cuticles, your sidewalls, and underneath your nails. Yes, don't forget that area. And then, yeah, we're all done. So again, I think we have another successful budget-friendly starter kit where we were able to do a full complete mani with everything that was in this kit. So what did you guys think? Y'all don't forget to let me know if you have any other starter kit ideas, any other companies that you would like me to try, because we are still on the hunt. And then maybe if we need to, you know, I'll kind of do like, you know, a full video on who I think if we need to rank them. Or y'all can just, I'll leave the playlist down below if you'd like to go back and just kind of like, you know, watch for yourself and, you know, make your own judgment on which kit that you would like to go with. I mean, yeah. So, all right, another great kit on the old playlist. All right, guys, well, that is all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, let me know. If you have any other companies' recommendations, please let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.